All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol WKHS, Workhorse Group Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to state some things. And the first thing is, welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your recognition to my efforts, your feedback, and encouragement to continue doing what I'm doing. It makes me very glad to know that I'm helping you guys, and I expect to give you guys nothing less than what I already am. Continue to be helpful and informative, and nothing less than that. Let's go ahead and jump into this chart. The first thing is support was definitely used, and beginning the day, it just went from Friday to today, Monday, and it just skyrocketed from there. It went from a low here of 1640 all the way up to a high of 1892, and it leveled off at 1806, broke through the 50-day moving average, slightly fell at one point below the resistance after breaking it, and then just continued to level off above it. And here we are seeing Workhorse work its way up and back into bullish territory. So let's move the resistance levels to their new locations and the support. So great run here for Workhorse, and we're definitely going to see how important this resistance level is to be broken. So I'm going to start off with the 50-day moving average. I'd write that down. That is 17 and 20 cents. $17.20. If that gets broken through, this is back in bearish territory, and the bears are starting to gain the upper hand. But before getting there, the support level they're going to want to break through is 1759. In between 1759 and 1720, there is a little bit of uncertainty. So you want to see the behavior in between 1759 and 1720, because the bulls can reappear and load up on stocks and bring this one back up. Also, you want to see if it uses it as support, because it can slightly break through it like it did here, and you can clearly see how it twice it used it as support, and here it is working its way up to newer highs, and it created new resistance levels. Even our resistance level was tested, and it got rejected twice, and that's why this resistance level is very important right now, because there was two rejections. But before I go up here, back to the support, if this gets broken through, just watch very closely the behavior and see if between your 15 or 5-10 minute charts, see how it's acting, and see if the bulls are dominating it on bringing it back up, or if the bears are dominating it. And the way you tell that is how many red candlesticks. The more red candlesticks, the more bears, and how big are those candlesticks, and so forth, and the volume in them, as well as the bulls are the green candlesticks, how big are they, how much volume are in each one, and so forth. Like, for example, this one, before this run started, it was 14,000, 16,000 in volume, and then 39,000 in volume. Not all of them were bullish, but it shows you the amount in volume that it was, and obviously in each one of these, significantly there was more bulls, and that's what created this catalyst to go up. So if 1759 gets broken through, pay very close attention to the behavior, how many red or green candlesticks, and how big are they, and what's the volume, and so forth. Now, on the other hand, we have the resistance level, and like I said, this resistance level is so important because it got rejected twice at 1870. I'd write that down. This resistance level needs to be broken through after closing at 1806 by the bulls, so that they can turn this into support and work their way up to newer highs. The highest point in the day was 1893. So after 1870 is tested, proven, and turned into a support, then the bulls can start to work their way up, and their next resistance level before having a rally is 1893. That's the highest point of the day, and that's going to be needed to be actually broken through and not rejected by the bulls to continue to have a run. But they got rejected at 1870 twice, and they dropped almost a total of 64 cents quickly within an hour. So that is why this is so important. There was 2 times rejection, and tomorrow, as it gets its way closer to 1870, there could be a possibility that this resistance level is tough to break through, and the bulls aren't able to continue the run. Or if they slightly break through it, how quickly is it going to get rejected? Or it could get rejected before even getting there. So be very mindful and keep in mind 1870 needs to be not rejected, broken through as a resistance, turn into a support, and not rejected by the bulls so that they can continue their run. As always, hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. Hope you guys learned something new. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video. Turn on all notifications so that you guys can be up to date on the chart analysis. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. Share this with your friends and community. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's make some money.